Oh my gosh, it's so warm in here. I am going to turn my fan on and give myself a cut. Give me 1 sec. Wind machine. Okay, so I just used my wind machine to dry some of my hair because it was really wet. And if you need a quick way to dry your hair without heat and that keeps you cool, you hella need to get a wind machine. Like, baby, they're so good. So we are going to put rollers in my hair today. I haven't styled my hair in 8 years. My natural hair, usually I wear wigs, as you guys may know if you're familiar with my channel. The rollers I'm going to be using today look like this. I'm going to be using the thinner ones because I want my curl to last a bit longer, and I do want it to be a bit of a tighter curl. If I so happen to run out of those, then I do have these ones. Oops. Then I do have these ones, which is the next size up. I believe these are 3/4 of an inch rollers or an inch rollers. Honestly, I don't know for sure. This may be an inch. I think this is 1.5 inches. I honestly don't know. I threw the package out. My apologies. So what I do is I part my hair where I want it to go. I have a really meticulous way of rolling my hair because I have a meticulous way that I like to curl my hair. I don't like my curls to kind of go every which way. I like them to go one direction back. I used to wear them sometimes one direction forward to give like a Courtney Stodden look. That's gorgeous too. Some people interchange them. That's really beautiful too. I just prefer to have it all away from my face. So what I do is I start over here, and I actually take quite large sections. Hair's a bit knotty because I just cut it. I like to take it out from my head, and I will tuck the ends into the roller, and then I'll roll the rest up. So, pretty simple. If there's any flyaway pieces from your layers, don't worry about it. You can't usually tell, honestly, when it's all rolled or when it's all curled. You can't really tell. So if you have finer hair like me, you can also do much larger sections. I've done these rollers, and I've done my whole head with just 4, 2, 1, 2, and then in the back 3, 4. So you are able to do that as well. By the by, I am doing this without a mirror. Like, my mirror is really far away right now. So if it looks like trash, just keep that in mind. Do have some breakage down here from putting my hair up in a bun, because it's always up in a bun. So just throw that behind your shoulder like a continental soldier and just let that go by the wayside. Actually, I think I might go back here. So there's no really rhyme or reason as to the size of roller I use. I do like to use a flat wrap method as opposed to like wrapping it as I'm going. Similar to what I said earlier though, sometimes the flat wrap isn't the most successful due to the layers you may have. So you may need to twist it as you go. This is probably my most unflattering video I've ever done. I prefer to use heatless methods to curl because I find they last significantly longer. So I have so many different techniques to do heatless curls. I used to use rollers. I would use the little foam rollers. I had a way of doing like a braided tiara that would give me like this beachy kind of wave. There's the traditional just plain braiding it. But I don't even know if this part's wet enough. Okay, fuck. I'm wearing it here. Fuck my life. Okay. My shirt's soaked, whatever. YOLO. Now, if these bitches don't curl because they're too fucking wet, I'm gonna be hella pissed. Why the fuck is it so dry? What the fuck is happening? The bitch is fucking soaked. I swear to you, if these do not dry now because they're too wet, they're fucking getting the snips. Okay. Oh, I only missed one. Okay, I actually think I did pretty well considering I can't really see the mirror. I'm just gonna go, if there's any that are all fucked up or janky, I'm just going to fix those off camera. But I'm going to show you guys later what this looks like when I'm done. I'm just going to do some housework, sit in front of my wind machine. Sometimes I'll do it, I'll go sit by the pool. Sometimes I do it, I'll go to sleep. I'll do it at night, wake up in the morning. That's what I used to do the most. However, I had some time to kill today, on this weekend. So I thought I would do this. But other than that, I will speak to you guys later. Bye. I got some dirt on my shirt while gardening, so disregard that. I am going to take these out. I feel a bit of dampness in this one I just tested, so I'm going to take them out in front of my wind machine and let them kind of go so I have that tousled effect. Here we go. This is what I would do if I was wearing my hair out, I think. Some super voluminous tight curls to give myself some texture. And the thing I like about hair like this is you could sleep on it and it looks really good thrown up in a bun or a ponytail as well too. So that's always a nice option. Pull a couple curls down or whatever, you know. That's always a nice option. So for this method, I like when it's just like big wild curls like this. Kind of see them. I know it's a little hard considering my hair is black, or my hair is brown and I'm wearing black. If I put them over the shopping bag, can you see? Anyway, so that's the video, guys. I really hope you enjoy. The nice thing about this as well too is I enjoy doing this, and then if I need to just touch a few pieces up with the curling wand or straightener or anything like that, you can do so, but it's majority heatless, so every time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.